Welcome dear students. In the next video lesson from the chapter Social Responsibility and Business Ethics. Today in this lesson we are going to learn more about what is the role of business in environmental protection. So in the last topic we discussed the business how to protect the business environment. Not only business environment, the whole business environment. But due to lot of unnecessary malpractices, the business is not able to handle these problems that will pollute the environment. That is known as environmental pollution. So the world is suffering from lot of diseases and problems due to the unnecessary, the negative side of business world. So that will leads to lot of diseases, lot of death of animals and human beings. So we have to discuss what is the different causes of pollution. So you know very well in the childhood classes you have learned what is environmental pollution and what are the different causes. Again we have to recollect all the concept. First one is air pollution, that is due to smoke, chemical emitted by factories, vehicles, etc. It has created a hole in the ozone layer leading to global warming. So remember, due to air pollution, lot of diseases are emerging. And next one is water pollution. Due to the chemicals and waste dumped into the rivers, streams, and lakes, the water is polluted. And you know very well, without water, without drinking water, we can't survive. So the business people have to take a necessary measure to solve these problems related to human life. The next one is land pollution due to the dumping of garbage and toxic waste, which will affect the fertility of land and makes it unfit for agriculture. Not only for agriculture, for the living of human beings and animals. Remember land pollution. And the next one is noise pollution. You know very well, a lot of vehicles are every day, lakhs and crores of vehicles are sold by the business people that will cause not only the vehicle, the factories also caused by the running factories and the vehicles. Noise pollution can be responsible for many diseases like loss of hearing, violent behavior, and mental disorder of peoples. So remember, these are the causes of environmental pollution. So we have to control the pollution. Business people have to control the pollution. Why it is needed? We have to discuss the factors. First one is in order to ensure a healthy life means without any diseases. So, diseases like heart cancer, heart attack, lung complication are caused by pollutants in the environment. By controlling all these pollutants, we can ensure a healthy life. And the next one is to ensure the safety, to ensure the safety of human beings and animals in the society. Just remember, due to the environmental pollution and smoke, the visibility is reducing, due to which chances of accidents have been increasing in our world. To reduce the number of accidents, there must be a check on pollution by the business people. Remember, to ensure safety, we need the concept of controlling pollution. Then economic losses. Every time due to the uncontrollable pollutants in the atmosphere, lot of losses is happened to the country. For example, noted here is Taj Mahal is losing its beauty due to the polluted atmosphere. Not only this loss, lot of people died due to the unnecessary pollutants in the environment. So a lot of economic losses is there to the human beings, to the world. And if the business people control these type of pollutants at their atmosphere, at their locality, in the within the walls of the business field, it will improve the public image. So remember, these are all the points related to why it is needed. Controlling the pollution is needed. So the role of business is unavoidable one in environmental protection. How? Every time, eco-friendly and clean or low-waste technology should be used by the industrial organization. Then they can bring a good atmosphere, a good environment to the whole world. Eco-friendly and clean or low-waste technologies of production and distribution. And they have to maintain industrial waste properly. Industrial waste should be recycled as far as possible without harming the environment. Plant and machinery should be modernized to minimize pollution. Plant and machinery should be modernized to minimize pollution. Lot of technologies are available. We have to use that type of plant and machinery in the production of goods and services. Also, they have to remember the business people have to follow the rules and regulations laid by the government. The business houses should comply with the laws and regulations enacted for prevention of pollution. So remember, every time when one business person start his working, how to follow the rules and regulations framed by the Pollution Control Board. They have to take positive steps. Positive steps should be taken to save the environment. These include plantation of trees, cleaning of rivers, ponds, etc. If they are doing all these activities, it will be a good asset for the future also. So remember, the role of business in environmental pollution and its protection is important one. So we are going to wind up the lesson by learning at another concept in this chapter, that is business ethics, in the next video lesson. So go through all these important points related to environmental pollution, its causes, and what is the role of business in environmental protection. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.